pharmacophore modeling. A pharmacophore modeling is essential for the set of structural features like a drug molecule like necessary to ensure the optimal interactions with a specific biological target to trigger the biological response. Here the structural features are important in the pharmacophore model, like model in that structure is important, like remember that model structure is important, so that structural features of a drug molecule is necessary to ensure this optimal interaction with the specific biological target, trigger, and biological response. Pharmacophore modeling is a process of identifying and mapping key features responsible for the biological activity of molecules. Concept is pharmacophore was first introduced in 1909 by Paul Ulrich. The key features are like hydrogen bond donor, accept hydrophobic groups, or like lipophilic groups, aromatic rings like interact with proteins, positive negative ionizable groups, charged groups, and involved in the electrostatic interactions. Of pharmacophore modeling, ligand based and structure based. Ligand based, like new drugs are based on the knowledge existing molecule. Ligands are already known to be bind to the biological target. Like existing molecules or ligands are already known to the bind to the biological target. This approach is used mainly when we don't have an idea about the shape of a protein or an enzyme involved in the disease. So that we don't know the disease that involved the shape of a protein that involved in the disease. So we use the existing molecules or ligands that we already know to bind that biological target. Okay, next steps are like gathering of molecules ligands to know them, bind the target, analyzing the structure. Next, like a pharmacophore or QSA model, pharmacophore model, 3D arrangement features, molecule arrangement, H bond, and pharmacophore modeling, and identifying the important ligands, designs and biological activities to improve the potency, selectivity, some of that. These are like without protein structure, fast and effective, cost effective, like useful in the early stages of drug discovery. In the structure based, like we need the structure, 3D structure for the biological target, like usually protein or enzyme. But the drug designing molecules can be fit and bind in a precise, easily and active site and target, leading to the desired therapeutic effect. We know that shape of like of protein can design perfect key fit to fit in, like it's a key and lock model. Like applications are like from designing a new drugs, lead optimization, predicting of unknown compounds, understanding the SAR, molecular docking. This technique like predict the orientation of the binding pose ligand, like when it binds to target receptor, what will happen, like a protein or enzyme, if we that binding will happen, what will happen, like receptors estimate the binding efficiency and interaction of the strength. Chemistry, like to create